Real talk mga preng, your motorcycle today is smarter than most riders. And if you're not using smart riding tech in 2026, you're riding blind, not brave. Mga preng, this video might save your life, save your money, and make your ride 10 times safer. So wag kang mag-skip. Mga preng, most rider thinks safety is about skills only. Pero ngayon, tech decides who goes home safe. And I'll explain this in a simple words, not nerd talk. Mga preng, while I'm riding, let me show you how smart riding actually work in real life. Let's start with the helmet. Mga preng, hindi lang to protection. This is your second brain. Ito yung mga tinatawag na smart helmets today. Can show speed, navigation, calls, rear camera, all without locking down. 1 second locking down lang kasi mga preng at 60 kph speed, that's already 16 meters of blindness. Kaya mga preng, HUD saved that second. Mga preng, if you ride daily, this is not luxury. This is logic. That's the part 1 mga preng. And the part 2 is the motorcycle apps you must install. Mga preng, if your phone has a TikTok but no riding apps, you need to priority check. Preng, here's what apps actually do for riders. Track maintenance, battery health, riding behavior, crash detection, GPS tip tracking. Some apps even auto-alert your emergency contact kapag may accident. Preng, that's not tech flex. That's responsible riding. Now, the part 3 mga preng is the safety tech every rider needs. Listen carefully here mga preng ha. ABS is not optional. Traction control is not pangmahina. Blind spot alerts are not overkill. Mga preng, tech exists because human make mistakes. If tech can correct even one mistake, that's already worth it. So ngayon preng, part 4, connected bike, how it works. Connected bikes today talk to your phone, to your cloud, to your service centers, GPS system, and also you can lock your bike remotely, see fault codes, schedule maintenance, locate your bike anytime. Preng, your bike is no longer dump metal. It's a system. So preng, let me say this honestly. Being a good rider today is not just skills. It's skills plus awareness plus tech. You don't need the most expensive bike mga preng. You need the right setup. So mga preng, ride smart, ride connected, and make it home every single time. And if this helped you even a little mga preng, share this with your riding group. Someone there needs this more than you think.